Hello friends, greetings to all of you. Welcome to my channel MJ's Knowledge Hub. I am Janasri, your guide and mentor for your CS exams. I hope you are doing good, staying home and staying safe, and in between even you are helping your family to cope up with this lockdown situation. Finally, the Institute of Company Secretaries of India has come up with the long-awaited notification. We all waited for this notification, right? The notification is regarding the postponement for the Company Secretary Executive Entrance Test. We all know that the May exam was the first of the CSEET examination, but due to the impact of the pandemic COVID-19, now the exams must be postponed, right? So initially the institute has first postponed the foundation, executive and the professional exams to 6th of July, right? Yeah. And so now it is extended even for the CSEET examination also. So let us once look at this notification. What does it say? It says that in the view of external lockdown announced by the Government of India and prevailing situation due to the COVID-19, Company Secretary's Executive Entrance Test CSEET is proposed to be held on Thursday 28 May 2020 is postponed. The reason is obvious because we can't take the risk of having group of people there, and we need to follow the government guidelines also. So currently the lockdown has been extended to May 17, right? So the exam now, which used to be held, which was first extended to May 28, now has been postponed to 17 July. So CSEET will now be held on Friday 17 July 2020. The last date of registration for appearing in the above CSEET shall be Monday on 15 June 2020. So this whoever wants to attend the first exam of CSEET who have not enrolled, or who or the students who are thinking to write the July exam but not attending the May exam, trying to write the July exam, now all must write the first exam for July. So all those students who have registered for May exam and also who want to who didn't register for the May because they want to write in July. So now you have to write the exam in the month of July itself. So the students, please take note of it. Those who have not yet registered for your CSEET exam and plan to write in July, please register yourself for the above CSEET exam by 15 June 2020. So almost you're having more than about a month time to register. So just make a note of this, and don't delay your examination, because after July again the exam will be in the month of November, I guess. Yeah. So friends, so those who are planning to write in the July exam and those who are still not registered, kindly register yourself for this upcoming CSEET exam to be held on 17 July 2020. And coming to this, in the coming video I will be sharing with you few study tips or study plan, so that you can plan your time accordingly for the CSEET, and I will be giving you certain resources which you can use so that you can enhance your preparation well. So stay tuned to my channel, and if you are new to it, kindly hit the subscribe button and kindly click the bell icon so that you'll be getting good updated videos regarding CSEET. And also please share this video to your friends, and stay tuned to the upcoming video where you'll be getting the few tips and resources for preparing effectively for the CSEET examination. Till then, stay tuned, stay home, stay safe. Take care.